Ang healing, hindi siya straight line. Minsan okay ka, minsan hindi. Minsan strong ka, minsan hindi ka makatayo. And it's okay. Kasi sabi sa Psalm 34, 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted. Meaning, sa mismong pagkawatak-watak mo, hindi niya tinatalikuran yung story mo. Una, healing starts with honesty. Yung aminado ka sa sarili mo, Lord, masakit. Hindi mo kailangang maging brave every day. Sa harap niya, pwede kang maging totoo. God meets you exactly where you are. Hindi sa kung sino ang gusto mong magmukhang strong. Pangalawa, healing takes time. And that's not a failure. Hindi mo kailangang bilisan para lang makakatch up sa iba. Every slow step, every quiet tear, every small progress, kasama yan sa pag-ahon mo. And God celebrates every inch of your growth. Pangatlo, healing happens in safe spaces. Yung hindi mo kailangang magpaliwanag ng paulit-ulit. Sometimes God sends rest through people. Sometimes through quiet moments. Sometimes through the strength you didn't know you had. Basta, you're not healing alone. Pang-apat, healing leads to deeper compassion. Yung mas naiintindihan mo yung sakit ng iba. Kasi dinaanan mo. At ginagamit ni Lord yan para maging gentle ka, not hardened. So, breathe. You're healing, slowly but surely. And God is right beside you in every step.